lie. Why we don't know if you no cry?
Put me on fire, put me underwater, take me cocktail.
So guys, we are finally done with the Ankara photo shoot. I hope you enjoyed this.
Wait, I am so shocked on how it got to this point. Anyways, my friend Uche directed this shoot and I edited these photos. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get to how we started.
What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. I am Oluchi, a Nigerian-based YouTuber living in Anambra State, Nigeria. So today we are going to I'm here with I don't need to say a friend because you already know her. You have seen her like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times on my channel. Yeah. So we are going to be doing an Ankara background photo shoot, just like an Ankara photo shoot. Yes. So we are going to set up the background. I'm making use of my grandfather's house. So we are transferring my grandfather's house into an Ankara photo shoot. Yes. Photo shoot set up. Yeah. So join the transformation, join the photo shoot, and I hope you learn 1 or 2 from this video.
So this is my friend Uche setting up the background. Like I told you guys earlier, she's the one that directed this shoot. She's the one that thought of this concept. She's the one that did every single thing about the shoot. So I love you, girl. She has been making this lockdown less boring. Yes, so she decided we should do the shoot. Oh, and that's it. Wait, just so you know, that rope is an old extension box.
Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know.
So we're kind of done with the setup. She's done.
So this is Uche doing her work as a creative director and as a fashion stylist, styling me. Well, of course, the stylist has to style herself too, you know. So right now the proper shoot has started. So I hope you really enjoy this story. And guys, if you have any video idea for me, please leave it in the comment section. I will be waiting. Please just tell me any video idea you have for me in the comment section, please. I'm begging you. Anything you want me to do, because this July has been a hell of it. So guys, anything you want me to do, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll definitely do it if I can.
I should give her pose. I should give her pose.
Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. Two very special
So guys, we're finally done with the Ankara photo shoot. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, that is a pre-video. The main video will be my next video, so better stay tuned. This one is like this one is like episode 1. The main episode 2 is very interesting and funny. Yes, so watch out for episode 2. I hope you enjoyed it. So put on the notification bell so you won't miss out whenever I post the next video. You get, so make sure you leave your comments in the comment section, like this video and share to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, you've watched my video 1 2 3 4 5 times and you haven't subscribed. I know what you're waiting for, but just subscribe. I don't know, just subscribe. You're missing out. Subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.